Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Hello, world! And once again, Diyos marahay na banggi, mga kasurog. Ito po ang inyong paborito, ang inyong inaabang-abangan na Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Leg. Hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. Partner, masasabi ko na this is the most or the highly anticipated match-up sa Bracket B ng ating bigaten quarterfinals dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. As you can see naman, talagang punong-puno ang ating venue for tonight, ang Iriga Sports Complex, dahil talagang kagabi pa ay nakaabang na sila sa larong ito.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Welcome sa ating last day ng ating bigaten quarterfinals. And syempre, partner, bago tayo pumunta sa ating pinakaabang laro, puntahan muna natin ang standings as of today ng bawat kupunan.
Yes, sige. Shortcut na lang natin. Huwag na nating bigyang pansin. Hindi naman. Alam mo, yung sa bracket A kasi, sitting pretty na yung kupunan ng Naga at ng Sangay para sa semifinals. Samantalang ito, pinag-aawayan pa, pinagtalang tatalunan pa dito sa bracket B ng Camaligan, Goa, Iriga at sabihin na natin yung San Fernando and Del Gallego pa rin. Pero ito, ang kartada po nila as of this moment, ang Camaligan po ay merong 3 panalo at wala pang talo. Samantalang ang Goa ay nanalo kanina, so meron silang naidagdag sa kanilang 2 wins previously. Ngayon, 3 na ang panalo nila, meron silang 1 talo. Sa Iriga naman, meron silang, na mapapalaban ngayon sa Camaligan, meron silang 2 panalo, 1 talo. Yung San Fernando na umuwing medyo luhaan ngayong gabi ay merong kartadang 1 win and 3 losses. Samantalang yung Del Gallego, mas maagang na maalam with a 0-4 win-loss card.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan ang ating current team standing sa ating tournament. At para naman sa ating huling laro, the most awaited game of the night, magtatapat ang home court powerhouse Iriga City Squad kontra naman sa kupunan ng Camaligan. And syempre, partner, bago tayo pumunta sa ating laro, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala si John Bachiller at your service, bringing you this kind of ball game. At kasama ko ang aking partner na si Kuya Alex Madronio aka Kapa Morgan, para ihatid sa inyo ang Sunday's Best or Father's Day Special dito sa Iriga Sports Complex.
Agad gaganti ako sa iyo, 1 karangalan na makasama ka.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan, 1 karangalan.
Sa isang coverage sa ganito, ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Maraming salamat, Wad, John Bachiller. Again, yours truly, Kapa Morgan, very excited po na makasama nyo sa coverage itong bakbakan ng Iriga at ng Camaligan.
Yes, battle of 2 powerhouse teams, partner,
Yes.
experienced team. Kaya kumbaga, partner, kita naman natin, very evident yung kanilang experience, partner. Pero sa tingin mo, ano ang magiging advantage ng bawat kupunan sa kabilang kupunan para makuha nila ang panalo sa gabing ito?
Well, I think on the part of Iriga, since itong mga players na ito ay been playing together since siguro mga teenagers pa sila. Kaya it's going to be an advantage for Iriga dahil yung chemistry ay nandun sa kanilang kupunan with the likes of Perea, Orada, Olea na matagal na talagang naglalaro. So it is for me an advantage kontra sa kanilang kalaban na Camaligan. On the other hand naman, itong Camaligan meron din mga veteran na kagaya ng itong si Babak Santa Maria na talagang we can really score and orchestrate sa mga plays. And meron pa silang threat sa labas. Itong si Joshua Ayo who can really shoot well from the outside at saka very long range pa ang mga tira nito. So talagang threat ito at dapat mapigilan ito ng kalaban na Iriga. At ito pang newly acquired nila, yung new acquisition nila na about 6'2" or 6'3" na veteran na si Kate Aguvida.
Yes, partner, indeed, this is going to be a war sa mga susunod na minuto. And syempre, partner, completing the 3rd member of our panel is ang napakagandang courtside reporter natin na si Miss Barbie para kapanayamin ang coaches ng bawat kupunan. Barbie, coaches, magandang gabi sa inyo.
Thank you for that, Coach John and Coach Morgan. Magandang gabi mga kasurog. Patuloy pa rin po kayong nakatutok dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And we are now down to the last game of this night, Camaligan against Iriga. Pero bago natin simulan ang most awaited game na ito, ay magkaroon muna tayo ng quick conversation with the coaches of each team. So good evening po, coaches. Let's start first with Team Camaligan, Coach Brian Ayo. So Coach, can you please give us an insight kung ano ba yung baon ng Camaligan sa most awaited matchup na ito?
Baon namin yung support ng mga taga-Camaligan, ng mga taong sumusuporta sa amin, and yung preparation namin sa ensayo. Yun ang dala-dala namin papunta sa Iriga.
Right now, Coach, you have the opportunity to greet and thank the supporters of Team Camaligan.
First, I would like to thank and good luck NCF Tigers, led by Coach Momo, Coach Apple, and Coach Kyle Marilla, and also my family, IK family sa Legazpi City who is watching right now, LGU Camaligan, and their Sangguniang Bayan, headed by Mayor Jano Verdalosa, sa all-out support sa team namin, and sa family ko, and to my mom na nanonood sa Kuwait ngayon, and to my girlfriend. Happy Father's Day po sa lahat.
Thank you for that, Coach Ayo. Dako naman tayo dito sa Team Iriga kay Coach Amador Itorio. So can you please tell us po kung ano yung developments na ginawa ng Team Iriga for this matchup?
Yung ginawa ngayon ng Team Arriba Iriga, kasi kumbaga may feedback sila na talo ng Goa. Ang laro nila ngayon, win or go home. So, ang preparasyon ng Arriba Iriga sa mga players at sa aming mga coaches, ang ginawa namin, to stop the bleeding, kailangan namin i-maximize yung turnover at yung each shoot ng Arriba Iriga is mahalaga para manalo ang team namin. Although alam nyo ang Camaligan talagang dominante yun kasi nga 3-0 sila, walang talo. Kailangan talaga namin maganda para manalo ang team ng Arriba Iriga.
Tama ka dyan, Coach. This is not just a most anticipated game, pero this is also crucial sa part ng Team Iriga. Right now, Coach, you have the opportunity to greet and thank the supporters of Team Iriga.
Unang-una, gusto namin magpasalamat sa ang aming mabait na at mahilig sa sports. Walang iba, si Mayor Rexy Oliva at ang kanyang Vice Mayor, si Childi Maywat. Isa pa po namin pinapasalamatan ang aming konsultan ng SBP Region 5, walang iba si Engineer Solomongo, at sa lahat ng sanggunian dito sa Iriga City. Isa yun sa tumutulong para mabuo ang magandang sistema ng sports sa Iriga. Sa mga family po ng lahat ng players, todo po sila moral support para sa Arriba Iriga para manalo po kami. Sa mga coaches, marami pong salamat. At sa lahat ng Irigenyo na kami po ang hosts, sana po tulungan nyo pa kami manalo para matalo na ang Camaligan. Win or lose, maging sports lang para sa kaganda ng laro ng Ako Bicol. Salamat po.
Thank you so much for your time, coaches, and good luck on your game. Mga kasurog, you can catch us live at Facebook page of Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, Representative Zaldico, also on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, Ako Bicol Cup. You can also watch the actual game here at Iriga City Sports Complex. Alam kong excited na kayo sa kung anong magaganap sa laro na ito, kaya wag na nating patagalin pa. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Morgan.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa update, and sa coaches. Maraming salamat. And partner, yun na nga, this is indeed going to be a war sa ating laro. And bago tayo pumunta sa ating laro, puntahan muna natin ang ating kasurog featured matchup for tonight's previous, ito yung mga average nila during their previous games.
Ayan, maingay na sa likod natin. Talagang excited na ang lahat. Pero eto, pasadahan muna natin ang ating kasurog matchup for tonight. Kobe Bryant Pableo ng Camaligan or ang tinaguriang Pinoy Mamba against Jason Orada ng Iriga, ang tinagurian namang The Beast. Alright, so para sa 2-point averages, nakakalamang si Jason Orada dahil mayroon siyang 54% kontra sa 46% ni Kobe Bryant Pableo. Sa 3-point average naman, merong 42% itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo. sa free throw average, nakakalamang itong si Kobe Bryant dahil mataas. Meron siyang 80% at 18% naman kay Jason Orada ng Team Iriga. Once again, mga kasurog, ito pong stats na to ay base doon sa kanilang previous games. And sa assist naman, bahagyang very thin yung margin dahil 1.3 kay Jason Orada, 1.0 naman kay Kobe Bryant Pableo. Sa rebounds, 3.0 kay Kobe Bryant, 2.7 naman kay Jason Orada. Sa average points nila, nakakalamang ng konti itong sa Kobe Bryant Pableo with 16.3, samantalang ang the beast na si Jason Orada ay 15.7.
Yes, partner, pakaabangan natin ang matchup for tonight's kasurog matchup for tonight. At para naman sa dalawang kupunan na magtatapat sa ating huling laro, ngayong gabi tapat ang hometown powerhouse Iriga City kontra sa Team Kamaligan at heto ang kanilang team stats sa kanilang laro.
Nakakalamang ang Iriga with 63% kontra sa 60% ng Team Kamaligan sa 2-point average. Sa 3-point average naman, lamang naman ang Team Kamaligan sa 35% kontra sa 28% ng Team Iriga. And sa free throw average, 56% ang Team Kamaligan, samantalang meron lamang 41% itong Team Iriga. Sa offensive rebounding naman, nakakalamang pa rin ang Kamaligan, 16.0, 12.7 naman sa Team Iriga. Sa defensive rebounding, lamang ang Team Iriga, 27.0, 25.7 naman para sa Team Kamaligan. Sa assist naman, nakakalamang ng medyo malaki itong Team Iriga, 22.3 kontra sa 12.7 ng Team Kamaligan. At sa steals naman, 12.0 sa Kamaligan, kaya dapat nilang habulin ang 16.3 ng Team Iriga. Sa turnover, mas marami ang naging turnover ng Team Kamaligan sa kanilang previous outing, 13.7 kontra sa 10.7 lamang ng Team Iriga.
Yun na nga, partner, pakaabangan natin ang bakbakan Iriga City versus Kamaligan. So partner, wag na natin itong patagalin pa. Ibigay na natin ang laro sa ating arena announcer na si Sir JV. JV, the floor is yours.
Goosebumps, partner! Feels like championship game ang ating natutunghayan at as of this very moment. Nako, talagang grabe. Kinikilabutan ako, partner.
Yes, partner, magandang gabi sa iyo. Tama ka, this is a championship atmosphere. And yun na nga, Pableo with the opening but misses the shot. Yun na nga, partner. This is going to be a war for sure, kaya pakaabangan natin to.
And brace yourselves!
And he check on the part of Dagi Ulea, pero partner, grabe.
Ganon kabilis, partner. Wala pang ilang minuto pa lang. Both teams
Segundo.
nakapag...
Segundo pa lang.
Oo, segundo pa lang. Both teams ay nakapag-attempt na makabuslo.
And Kobe Bryant, Pableo against Dagi Ulea. He was fouled and will troop to the line for two. Grabe, partner. Hindi mahulog ang karayom ang ating Iriga Sports Complex for tonight's game, partner.
Talagang nakakatuwa, partner, na ganon
Yes.
ganon ka-supportive ang mga taga-Iriga
Tama.
para sa kanilang home team na napapalaban ngayon kontra sa, sabi nga natin, top seed na Kamaligan team. Merong kartadang 3-0. Wala pong talo ang team na ito. Kaya ganon ka-powerhouse ang kanilang katunggali ngayong gabi.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Much to the delight of the crowd. Meron pa tayong pataturotot dito para lang talaga tulungan ang Iriga squad na manalo sa larong ito.
Sila yung third man. Tama ba?
Sixth man, partner. Sixth man.
Oo, tama.
Ayan na si Raton. Spins against Ignacio. But there is Ignacio to block the shot. Pableo gives the ball to Babap Santa Maria. Bombs for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si AJ Pereira is rushing. Pereira attacks, kicks it out, but there is Babap to intercept the pass. Grabe, partner. Isang minuto na ang nalabi, pero talaga the score is still 0. Ganun ka-intense at kaganda ang larong ito.
At nakita na kagad natin kung gaano ka-intact itong team ng Iriga dahil alam na alam nila kung saan nakaposisyon ang kanilang kakampi. Kaya yun nga lang, na-deflect ni Santa Maria yung last play opportunity para sa Iriga.
Yan na si Keith Aguvida attacking with the fake up and under, but there is Marquez to block the shot. Aguvida recovers. Kicks it out to Babap. Babap attacks, but he was caught dancing in the wrong song and was called for steps.
I think masyado siyang nagmadali. Nakakita ng opening kaya hindi niya napansin. Naangat niya yung kanyang pivot foot and the reason why he was called for a traveling.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Marquez. Big man who is bringing down the ball. May pick na binibigay si Raton. Marquez for 3. And that is the first basket of our ball game courtesy of Marquez.
Marquez throwing first blood in this much anticipated matchup ang Iriga kontra Kamaligan.
And Joshua Ayo, lampas kay Ignacio against Marquez. Ignacio powering his way for 2.
Ayan, nakaunang buslo din para sa Kamaligan itong si Dodoy Ignacio.
Yes, ayan na si Pereira, open for 3. Misses the 3-point shot. Keith Aguvida secures the possession. Ayan na si Wawa Ayo, heavily guarded but much bigger na si Magpantay. But we've known Joshua Ayo with his dribbling power. Kaya kayang-kaya niya na si Ayo. Squeaks in with the semi-hook.
Oh!
Partner.
What a spectacular move from Joshua Ayo kontra kay Magpantay.
Yes, partner, kita ko ang daddy ni Joshua Ayo dito sa harap natin celebrating. And that shot is brought to you by Mercedes Bay. Yan na si Magpantay, gives the ball to Marquez. Marquez attacks, sidestep using the glass but misses the shot. Marquez again secures for 2.
So si Marquez pa lang po ang kumakana para sa Iriga.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yan na si Pableo against Dagi Ulea. Pableo crosses over. Pableo attacks and again he was fouled. And partner, medyo very evident yung speed ni Pableo kontra kay Dagi Ulea, kaya he is attacking the defense of Dagi Ulea.
Oo, hindi papapalitan si Dago Ulea despite the fact na meron na siyang 2 fouls dito sa early goings ng ating first quarter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. This is a bad sign on the part of Iriga kasi one of their top scorers na si Dagi Ulea committed his second personal foul.
Yes, sir.
Yan na si Babap against AJ Pereira. Grabe, partner, ang laki ng guard. Babap for 3. Kaboom!
And that's correct. That's a 3-point shot made by Babap Santa Maria.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Opening the game with a 3-point bomb kanina. Ayan na naman si Magpantay. May pick na galing kay Raton. Mabantay attacks, gives the ball to Raton against Ignacio. Fakes. Base free throw jumper, misses the shot.
But Pereira keeps the ball alive.
Gives the ball to Raton. Raton He was stopped, stripped by Pableo. And yun na nga, he was fouled sa baba. And I guess it is a baseline inbound with 14 seconds remaining sa ating shot clock with 6 minutes and 31 seconds sa ating first quarter. Lamang ang Kamaligan, 7-4. What
Good
a
find,
defense
Pero
on
good defense.
on the part of Ignacio, blocking the shot of Raton. Ayan na si Babap again. Babap hesitates. Step back with a spin. What a defense played by Dagi Ulea despite his 2 fouls. Pableo, top of the key three. Kaboom!
What a statement for Kobe Bryant Pableo in this first quarter of the ball game.
Yes, partner. Very relaxed itong very animated na si Pableo. Ayan na Marquez. Ba! Ginantihan ang tira.
Sabi ko sa iyo, si Marquez pa lang ang kumakana sa Iriga.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Answering the 3-point shot of Pableo is Marquez. And now, 7-10 in favor of Kamaligan. Here is Pableo, one-on-one against AJ Perea. Pableo with the crossover. Top of the key three.
And he was fouled. What a play for Kobe Bryant Pableo. Talagang sabi niya sa ere, nako, hindi ko man ito ma-shoot, I'm sure makakakuha ako ng foul. At yun na nga, very successful siya sa kanyang naging plano.
Yes, partner, ayan na. Meron tayong tinitingnan natin ang very animated na si Coach Ray contesting the call or somewhat asking kung paano natawagan. Ayan na si Pableo still struggling sa kanyang free throw line. And yun na, partner. Talaga, this 6 man is very evident talaga, partner, dito sa ating venue.
Oo. And may epekto ito sa mga players ng Kamaligan, sigurado.
Yes, partner, knowing Kobe Bryant Pableo, a very animated player talaga. Mas gusto niya tong ganitong types of ball game, partner. Mas na-challenge siya.
He plays with the crowd.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na. Kobe Bryant Pableo silencing the crowd with his 2 free throws.
Aasahan natin ang kanyang mga dakdak sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. Mind you, partner, Kobe Bryant Pableo is only 21 years old, partner.
Batang-bata.
And he is veteran niya na si Marquez. Top of the key three. Kaboom!
What a player! Siya
And-
ang nagbibit-bit sa
Yes.
early goings for Iriga.
He is scoring heavily in this first quarter. Siya pa lang nakakabuslo on the Iriga side. Babap, fall away, misses the shot.
That's short for Babap.
That is short pero nakuha ni Marquez. Dagi Oleas ahead against by Olea, misses the shot. Babap secures the rebound. Ayan na si Santa Maria. Kicks it out to Wawa Ayo for 3. No good. Rebound by Raton. Outlets to Dagi Olea. Dagi Olea. Kicks it out to Marquez for 3. No good.
Almost but not quite.
Pableo misses the shot. And here comes Iriga City. Dagi Olea for 3. Goal! And goes wild with that booming three na galing kay Dagi Olea.
Kasama ang crowd. Dito lang yan sa Arriba Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, this is a championship atmosphere on the part of Kamaligan and Iriga. Pableo answering back the three and bounce to the crowd. And this is a Ubico Cup basketball.
What more can you ask for?
Grabe, partner. This is just the first quarter but the game is very intense.
Grabe, tayong-tayo na partner. Tayong-tayo na mga balahibo ko.
Grabe, partner. This is a Father's Day special and hatid sa inyo
Yeah,
na Kamaligan and Iriga.
we have a deadlock. 15 all.
Ayan
Nakasunod.
Babap against Raton at the top of the key. Gives the ball to Keith Aguvida. 2-man game. But the ball, there is a turnover on the part of Keith Aguvida.
That's a costly turnover on the part of Kamaligan. Medyo naghahanap pa ng chemistry itong si Agubida with Babap Santa Maria.
Partner, first quarter pa lang pala to. Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko. And yun na, a substitution on the part of Iriga City. Si Raton, Orada gives, yun na, inuwa strip.
Sabi ni Urada, nakatapik ako. Tinamaan ng kamay ko.
Yes, partner.
Pero walang naitawag po na foul ang mga referees dahil
Yes.
alam nila kung ano ang tama.
Ayan na si AJ Perea gives the ball to Dagi Ulea. Dagi insert his way with the right-handed layup and scores!
And Iriga is now leading this ball game.
Yes.
3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Iriga is up by 2. It's Babab Santa Maria trying to answer the score, but there is Keith Aguvida, and he was fouled in the act of shooting and will trip to the line for our charity free throws.
This is the very first time na makikita natin na mag-free throw itong si Keith Aguvida, ang tinatawag nilang
The flight.
flight.
Keith Aguvida is a former standout of Arellano University who played in the NCAAs. And yun na nga, partner. He is in the free throw line.
At
So-
yun, talagang pinapakita ang kanyang pagka-veterano. Composed na composed, taking the free throws.
Yes,
Yun.
tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga yung Torotot, but yun na nga, silencing the crowd is Keith Aguvida with those 2 free throws. Ayan na, substitution. Ayan na si Jock Bellarmino inserted and si Himan pinasok na sa loob.
For Kamaligan naman.
Ayan na si Orada against Ignacio. What a defense by Samuel Ignacio, partner. Partner, yumayinig sa ating mga fans at dito rin bakbakan sa ilalim ni Ignacio at ni Orada, talagang nagbabanggaan sila sa ilalim.
You can really feel the intensity of this ball game as early as now.
Yes,
Pero,
ayan na si Babap is ahead. Babap is ahead. Drops it up to Keith Aguvida, but misses the shot. Ayan na si AJ Perea. All alone is the Orada for 2.
that's the beast! Jason Orada with those 2-pointer. Good finish on the part of Iriga.
Yes, partner, that is a sorry miss on the part of Keith Aguvida. After that miss, talagang tumakbo ka agad. Nakita ni AJ Perea yung advantage na nandun na si Jason Orada sa unahan. Kaya inabante niya kagad ang bola for an easy layup.
Good defense on the part of Iriga.
Yes, partner, talaga. Partner, this is just the first quarter and goosebumps kaagad meron tayo dito. Ito ang hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Cup. Siyempre, hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and si Congressman Saldico. And
Ayan.
what more can you ask, partner? There's a big size crowd here at Iriga Sports Complex para tunghayan ang labanang Iriga City versus Kamaligan.
Ayan, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero mukhang we will be having Barbie Floriana in just a few minutes from now. Abangan natin kung ano ang dala ng ating courtside reporter. Pero balik na muna tayo sa ating ball game. We heard the buzzer and right now, magbabalik ang dalawang koponan sa hard court.
Yes, partner, a good start on the part of Kamaligan talaga with those runs. And siyempre, nung later part ng ating laro, talagang bumawi at kumamada na yung mga shooters na like si Dagi Ulea with his 5 straight points. And siyempre, yun na nga si Marquez who spearheaded the scoring parade on the Iriga side.
That what impresses me much. Itong si Marquez dahil talagang siya yung pumuntos siguro around mga 15 points kaagad.
No, 10 straight points. 10 straight points.
10 straight
On the
points.
part of Marquez. Yan si Aguvida, one-on-one against Jason Orada. Aguvida, squeeze in. But he misses the shot. A sorry miss on the part of
Good shot pero malamya at hindi nakapasok. And right now, ito na, kasama na natin si Miss Barbie Floriano. Ano ba ang meron ka dyan, Barbie?
Magandang gabi muli mga kasurog. To give us some clarification sa mga possible scenario na mangyayari sa resulta ng game na ito, we have here Coach Paulo Biñas, one of the members of Technical Committee. So do you have any question po, panel?
Tamang-tama. Maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano, na binitbit mo itong ating kaibigan na si Mr. Paulo Biñas. Coach, salamat at nandito ka dahil meron kaming mga katanungan. Although nangyayari po ngayon ang gitgitang laban ng Kamaligan at ng Iriga. Pero yung previous game, Coach, ng San Fernando at ng Goa, how would it affect or ano ang magiging epekto dito sa ating bracket B quarterfinals?
Sa ngayon, it changes everything. It puts Iriga team for a must-win situation to force a possible triple tie between Iriga, Kamaligan, and Goa.
So talagang dapat maipanalo ito ng home team na Iriga. If not, anong mangyayari, Coach?
If matalo ang Iriga, Goa will advance to the semifinals kasi meron silang 3 wins and 1 loss sa standings. Yung
Oo.
Iriga magiging 2 wins and 2 loss. So ang papasok is Kamaligan and
Goa.
Goa.
Oo, pero kung maipanalo naman ito ng Iriga, mga ilang puntos ba dapat ang mailamang ng Iriga kontra dito sa Kamaligan?
Oh, basta manalo lang sila by 2 points, okay na 'yon. Kasi malaki yung lamang nila sa tawag dito sa Goa. Yung Goa na lamangan ng Kamaligan. Medyo malaki yung lamang ng Kamaligan sa Goa eh. So 'yun ang advantage ng Iriga. So must win sila pero kailangan lang nila is 2 points lang.
Wow, so okay. So meron ka bang katanungan, partner?
Yan nga partner, this is just a 2-point this is a crucial ball game for the part of Iriga, and maraming salamat Coach Paolo sa clarifications sa ating situation kanina.
And maraming salamat din Miss Barbie Floriano. So partner, talagang dapat maipanalo ito ng Iriga for them to have a secure seat sa ating semifinals.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A must win on the part of Iriga City squad. Kaya talagang kita mo naman as early as first quarter talagang they are diving for the loose balls, and yun na nga partner talaga a must win on the part of Iriga.
Alright, 20 ang Iriga and 19 ang Kamaligan. So magandang sign ito para sa home team na Iriga dahil nakakalamang ni sila. Although nasa free throw line ngayon si Himan and misses the shot.
And yun na nga partner, Himan misses the first free throw. And yun na nga yung Torotot. Much to the delight of the crowd. Talagang tuwan-tuwa sila every time na Kamaligan squad will miss the free throw. Yan si Marquez, hindi pa pinapalitan sa ating first quarter. May pick galing kay AJ Perea. Ayan na si Perea, is attacking. Kicks it out to Magpantay. For 3.
Yes!
And what a kick out pass galing kay AJ Perea na si Himan is attacking. Himan attacks, kicks it out to Relucio. Relucio is attacking. Relucio. Grabe partner. And Relucio regains possession. Ayan na si Marquez. Struggling to get the position.
Mukhang nakaapak siya sa linya.
Yes partner, tama ka dyan.
Medyo malakas yung pasang yon ni Magpantay para mahabol yun ni Marquez.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Napalakas yung pasa. Sayang, it could be an easy 2 points on the part of Marquez, but the pass was too high and too spin kasi ayan na.
Pero still a nice try for
Yes.
Iriga.
Yes, ayan na si Santa Maria, heavily guarded by Jock Belarmino. May pick na galing kay Fragoso. With 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, 12 seconds sa kanilang game clock. Ayan na, Babap Santa Maria. Misses the shot. Himan. Jason Orada. Ayan na si Magpantay. Flies. Gives the ball to Jock Belarmino. And
Ayan na.
that ends.
Nakakalamang na po ang Iriga as we end our first quarter. Partner,
Yes, partner, what an intensifying, electrifying, ano pa bang adjective na pwede kong sabihin dito, partner? This is going to be a war for sure talaga, partner.
indeed, at ramdam na natin ang gera dito sa loob ng Arriba Iriga Sports Complex as we end our first quarter action between Kamaligan and the home favorite, of course, dahil home team sila, ang Iriga. Nasabi nga ni Coach Pau Villas kanina, it is a must win for Team Iriga para magkaroon sila ng chance na mapasama pa sa ating semifinals dahil doon sa magiging triple tie na senaryo.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Partner ha, this is just the first half of the ball game talaga.
Akala ko ano na. Grabe,
Hindi
ganun
pa to first
katindi.
quarter, ganun katindi. Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko.
Di ba, may dala ko ditong panggamot dyan. Mamaya.
Ayan, tama ka dyan, partner. This is, kumbaga nagiinit pa lang as we take a look some highlights ng ating first quarter. Talagang umuulan ng 3 points. It all started doon Kamaligan with the decorative player. Kumbaga very intense player na si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
But with a very consistent naman on the other hand, itong si Marquez for Team Iriga.
Si Pableo anchoring the scoring of Kamaligan. And yun na nga si Ignacio sa mga depensa. And then si Dagi Olea scoring 5 points sa ating first quarter. And we'll see kung anong magiging adjustments ng ating mga coaches ngayong second quarter.
But right now, sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter, talagang mas maganda yung orchestration nitong mga taga-Iriga kumpara sa dayo na mga taga-Kamaligan. And this is being brought to you by Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na nagkasurog pa. And of
Exactly.
course, shout out once again kay Congressman Jill Bongalon.
Yes, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa. And para sa ating mga leading scorers sa nakaraang first quarter, leading the charge for Kamaligan is Babab Santamaria with 6 points. And on the other side, sa Iriga, si si Dagi Ulay with 5 points. What I saw remiss on the part of Fragoso. Good pa sana kay Barde. Ayan na si Magpantay. Was fouled by Barde.
And we have a 3.4 live viewers sa ating Facebook page.
Yes, partner
Ganun
Mara.
ganda yung ating mga viewers.
Yes, maraming salamat sa panonood. And walang sawang suporta sa aming liga. Patuloy pa namin itong pagagandahin. At syempre, may mga laro pa tayong mga sumusunod. Sana suportahan ang semifinals, finals, and syempre sa ating last day ng ating bigatin quarterfinals.
Tama. This is the last day and it's a big treat para sa ating mga tatay who is celebrating Father's Day. Ako ay nagse-celebrate din dahil ako'y tatay din. Kagaya ng aking partner
Yes,
dito.
yan na si Himan with a double spin.
Woo!
And a bump. Sayang nun, partner, hindi na ipasok. Ayan na si Magpantay against Aquino. What a crossover, partner! What a
Oh!
dish, but there is Fragoso to intercept the pass. Sayang, partner.
I thought Magpantay is gonna,
He could have
fly.
been take the shot talaga.
Tama.
Partner kasi. Sayang nun, partner. Pero
I think he was intimidated by the defense.
sayang, but yun na nga, partner nila. Sayang talaga yung opportunity. But I guess, babawi naman yan mamaya ni Vernon Pagpantay with this, those high-flying acts. Yan na si Barde. And yung addition on the part of Kamaligan.
Isingit ko lang to partner, na we're having some technical problems sa YouTube channel natin. Kaya yung mga nanonood po sa YouTube, lipat na lang po kayo sa mga Facebook pages natin, sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico Facebook page, at sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page.
Magpantay, corner 3. Misses the shot. But Relucio taps the ball. Ayan na si Jock Villarmino with the fake. Gives the ball to Marquez against Relucio. Irons it. Rebound by Himan. Gives the ball to Barde. Ayan na si Barde.
Grabe
Gives
yung
the ball to
depensa.
Fragoso inside. He travels. Grabe, partner. Nakatayo lang si Raton on that sequence. Talaga napakalakas. Hindi na overpower ni Fragoso itong si Raton.
Hindi kaya, tinayuan lang siya.
Yes, partner, the score is 19-26 in favor of Iriga City. Ayan na si Magpantay, attacking. Magpantay flies using the glass but in and out. Fragoso grabs the rebound. Barde is rushing. Barde, what a pass kay Himan.
And he was hammered at the back by Jock Bellarmino.
Yun na nga, partner, kumbaga that is a play of foul for you talaga. No easy baskets right now kasi every possession and every point in this game is very important.
Grabe yung physicality ng larong ito. And we expect that naman. Talagang magiging masyadong physical ang larong ito.
Yes, partner, talagang batiin ko ang aking mga kaibigan na nanonood dyan sa Phase 1. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And sa mga kababata ko dyan, manood kayo. Ako nang bala pagbalik.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Assurance talaga.
Ayan na si Jock Villarmino against Barde. Cross. Ayan na si... What a shot by Vernon Magpantay. Grabe, partner, over the outstretched arms of Fragoso.
Electrifying shot by Vernon Magpantay.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Relucio. Relucio spins against Marquez using the glass in and out. And ayan na. Iriga is rushing against Himan. Marquez attacks using the glass, misses the shot. Fragoso grabs the rebound. Gives the ball to Barde. Binigay kay Relucio. Relucio one-on-one against Marquez. Relucio trying to attack the defense.
Almost losing the ball. And matatawagan ng backcourt violation ang mga taga-Kamaligan.
What a defense on the part of Iriga City talaga. Talagang every screens nilalabanan nila. Kaya ngayon medyo talagang maganda ang defense ang pinapakita nila. Na.
Kaya sabi ni Coach Brian Ayo, ibalik na natin sina Dodoy Ignacio at si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Ayan na si Pableo hearing to the crowd. The boos and the us. Ayan na si Pableo. Grabbing the rebound. Gives the ball to Himan. Ayan
Nasa
na si,
loob na rin si Raymart Aquino for Team Kamaligan.
yes, ayan na si Aquino. Gives the ball to Pableo. Pableo attacks, spins. He loses the ball. AJ Perea is rushing. Drop pass. Jock Villarmino misses the shot, but there is Aquino.
And a
it's good.
foul! May pa-and one pa yan, courtesy of Jock Bellarmino.
I guess this is the biggest lead of our ball game, 30-20, and could be added by Jock Villarmino with his bonus free throw partner. Sayang partner, yun ang mga case na dapat hindi na kailangan i-foul kasi Aquino is in the floor. So kumbaga wala na siyang depensa, may papakitang maayos. So nakita niya pa na hinawakan niya yung kamay or paa. So yung referees natin nakita and he was caught with a foul.
Tama, it's an unwise decision on the part of Raymart Aquino. Hinayaan niya na lang sana kasi wala na siyang magagawa.
Yes, completing the three-point play. Yes, Jock Villarmino. Ayan na si Villarmino.
Talagang
Heavily
dikit.
guarded si Hinan.
Talagang
Gives the
kanina
ball to
pa yan.
Keith Agubida. Keith Agubida attacks. And
Finally, first
his-
field goal nitong si The Flight, Keith Agobida.
Yes, his first score of the ball game. Ayan na, Keith Agubida. Agubida gives the ball to Perea. Back pass, but he was caught dancing in the wrong song and called for a traveling.
So kung talagang magko-contribute itong si Keith Agobida para sa Kamaligan, mayroon silang chance na matapatan na ang score nitong Iriga, who's leading right now sa ating second quarter, 31-22.
Yes, yan na si Agubida against Marquez. Agubida. Medyo,
And sabi niya, madulas yung bola.
yes, partner. Medyo nadulas, but I guess the game plan is very clear, is to give the ball to Keith Agubida at the post, and syempre, siya na ang bahala to distribute or to score in that possession.
And
Ayan na
that's
si
his
Jock
strength.
for 3, misses the shot. Agubida rebounds the ball, gives the ball to Himan. And
He loses the
nabitawan.
ball.
Ayan na si Perea all alone.
Good finish
scores for two.
on the part of Perea.
Sayang nun partner, a very costly turnover to the part of Himan. Ayan na partner. This is just an 11-point lead with 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Himan, one-on-one against Magpantay, gives the ball to Ignacio for 3. No good. Keith Agubida secures the rebound.
Pero natawagan siya ng foul.
Yes, he was caught pushing na si Marquez. And that is the first personal foul on Keith Agubida and second team foul on the part of Kamaligan.
Ayan, before pulling that ball off the rebound, naitulak niya itong si Marquez. Kaya yon, first personal foul itong si Keith Agobida.
Yes, and si Magpantay, guarded by Himan. Magpantay, switch. Yan na si Pableo, covering Magpantay, gives the ball to Jock Villarmino. May pick galing kay Raton. With 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Nice
Raton.
play!
What a give and go play on the part of Iriga City. And now this is the biggest lead of our ball game, 22-35. This is a 13-point lead on the part of the mighty Iriga squad. Hinahiman attacks and blocked by Vernal Magpantay.
Kamaligan needs to do something right now.
Marquez for 3. No good. Rebound by Jock Villarmino. But he was pushed and fouled by Babap Santa Maria.
Once again, this is a must-win situation for Team Iriga.
Yes, partner. Nakita kita, uminom ka ng tubig. Walang dayaan, walang inuman ng tubig, partner.
Bawal ba uminom?
Ayan na si Raton, top of the key. Hands it off to Marquez, but denied. Ayan na si Magpantay. Magpantay against Ignacio. Pull-up jumper. Makes the shot. And grabe, partner, beating the buzzer is
Ayan
Vernon
na.
Magpantay.
That one was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Grabe, partner. This is a 15-point lead to the part of Iriga. Ayan na si Babap. Drops it up to Ignacio. But grabe, partner. What a good fake on the part of Ignacio.
Oo. Slow
Umagat sa
motion.
fake.
Slow motion move sa ilalim at nakasungkit siya ng foul. Sumabit talaga. Talagang bumitin sa kanya si Raton.
Yes, partner. That is a battle of heavyweights, partner. Laban, yun talaga.
Sabi ni Coach Peter niyan, the class of the Titans.
Mga kadya, this is the class of the Titans. Yun ang partner, nire-review ng ating magigiting na officials dito sa ating laro. And partner,
We have a 4K something na mga viewers online.
wow,
4.5.
partner. Nakakataba ng puso yung 4.3.
Keep on sharing, mga kasurog. Keep on sharing
Yes.
what you're experiencing right now sa tindi ng laban ng Iriga at ng Kamaligan. Dito po sa ating final day ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Nakakataba ng puso na makita dito sa ating venue na marami punong-puno, and syempre may mga viewers tayo sa ating Facebook Live. Talagang grabe yung suporta na pinapakita nyo sa amin. Maraming salamat po.
Opo, baka naman, pakishare kasi baka umabot ng 5,000 plus ang live viewers natin.
Oo.
Baka magka-bonus kami niyan.
Grabe talaga, partner. Partner ang sinasabi ko. Siyempre, yung bonus na yan ay atin sa atin ang buti nating commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera is in the building right now watching this wonderful ball game. And siyempre, marami pa tayong mga VIPs na nandito sa ating mga venue. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And siyempre, ang ating pagtuunan ng pansin ngayon, partner, yung mga tatay na nandito sa ating venue. Happy Father's Day po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-aruga at pagmamahal na binibigay nyo sa amin.
And kudos din sa ating technical team na talagang trying everything para makapagbigay sa inyo ng napakagandang live coverage. Headed by our technical head or technical director, Mr. Christian Calleja, at ang IMBC. Alright, ang Infinity Media Broadcasting Company na nagbibigay sa inyo itong coverage na ito para sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Yes, tama ka dyan. I guess natawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul si Raton.
Unsportsmanlike foul ang naitawag. So, magkakaroon ng ball possession after the free throw. Tama ba? Wala naman. But Dodo Ignacio is in the free throw line taking his second shot. And pasok yun.
Partner, I guess it is a regular foul lang kasi 2 free throws is awarded
okay.
to Ignacio. And I guess hindi nakita ng disadvantage ng mga referees kaya natawagan ng regular foul.
Okay.
I guess
We respect naman every decision na binibigay or judgment ng ating mga officials.
and si Jock Villarmino against Wawa Ayo.
Merong ano ba nangyari doon? Last touch ng mga nakaputi.
Yes, no partner. The ball will go to Kamaligan because tumama daw sa kamay ng isang taga blue shirts. Partner, para sa ating late tuners, donning the blue jerseys are the Iriga City squad, and the white and violet shorts yung mga taga Kamaligan. Ayan na si Baba attacking, misses the shot. There is Ignacio grabbing those offensive rebounds and powering his way for 2.
So unti-unti inaangat nitong si Ignacio ang kanyang koponan sa pagkakalugmok.
Yes, ayan ang pagpantay again with the 3-point shot misses. Aguvida is rushing, gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Wawa Ayo, what a pass sana. Kaso,
Sayang, hindi na huli nitong si Pableo.
ayan na. AJ Perea, what a defense on the part of Ignacio. Jock Villarmino misses the 3-point bomb. Ayan na si
Pableo for the big rebound for Kamaligan.
Barop Santa Maria against the much taller na si, ayan na, 1-on-1. Pableo against Perea.
At merong blocking foul na
And
naitawag.
partner.
Oops!
This is
At yan na nga, talagang ganon kapisikal yung larong ito. Kaya inaasahan natin na mayroong mga konting altercation na mangyayari.
tama yan, partner. This Kobe Bryant Pableo reminds me of Mac Cardona talaga. Every time na tinuton siya ng crowd, doon lumalabas ang kanyang laro. Talagang dito, pinapakita niya kung sino talaga siya.
I like his attitude actually.
Yes, tama, partner. Eh, partner, grabe, sumenyas na ang
Ayan na, mayroon na tayong bonus. 5.1 K viewers
Sumenyas na.
live.
Sumenyas na ang ating writer na si Sir Iris na meron tayong 5,100 viewers sa ating live audience. Kaya sana naman sumigaw na tayo
Beka naman!
ng bonus sa ating mga bossing. Partner, nakakataba talaga ng puso. This is a Father's Day special, a Sunday special for everyone.
Alam mo, I could have been resting at this very moment, pero it's an honor for me to be here and be a part of this epic game between Iriga and Kamaligan dito sa Iriga Sports Complex.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, habang nagre-relax tayo dito sa ating minamahal na larong basketball talaga, talagang mahal na mahal natin ang ating liga. Kaya nandito tayo para tumulong mapaganda at maging exciting ang mga susunod na laro sa ating ligang ito.
Ganon din tayo ka-dedicated.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Tingnan natin at chine-check ng ating mga game officials kung anong nangyari sa last sequence kanina. And yun na nga, partner. Again, this is my chance to greet my father. A happy Father's Day, Ray Bachiller. Happy Father's Day. I hope you're watching. And yun na nga, happy Father's Day sa iyo. Thank you very much.
And I'm also dedicating this game sa aking father at the other side of the veil. Papa, this is dedicated to you.
Yes, sabi mo nga, partner, gustong-gusto rin to ng iyong father na
Yes.
talaga.
Na nandito tayo.
Yes, partner. Ayan na, si Pableo. The very animated Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Okay na ba yung YouTube natin? Alright, so sige. Medyo natatagalan tayo para we get everything back to work dito sa ating mainit na tapatan, bakbakan ng Kamaligan at ng Iriga. Grabe, partner, yung intensity talagang feel na feel natin. Magmula sa pag-tip off kanina, warm up pa lang, napipil ko na yung talagang vibe of a championship game.
Partner, first half pa lang to, partner.
And then again, hindi po ito championship game. This is just the last game ng ating Bigatin quarterfinals sa bracket B po. Kasi yung sa bracket A nga, sitting pretty na yung Naga at saka yung team ng ating kaibigan, si kaibigan mo,
Kaibigan si Buddy Eugene. Ayun na nga, partner, sumenya sa ng ating poging director na si Sir Christian na si Kong Jill Bongalon is watching right now. Kong Jill, good evening. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa suporta sa ating liga.
Isa si Kong Jill sa 5 point something na viewers natin online. Kong Jill, magandang gabi po sa iyo. At
Bakit
happy Father's Day.
Bakit parang nag-post ka, Kong Jill?
Parang baka naman.
Parang may sasabihin ka. And back to our ball game. There is Pableo giving the ball to Ignacio against Raton. Ignacio fakes up and under using the glass.
What a shot there.
Grabe.
This
Grabe,
guy.
partner talaga. This is going to be a heavyweight match between Ignacio and Raton. Ayan na
Sabi
si...
ko nga, inuunti-unti ni Ignacio na
But answering back is Vernon Magpantay with that booming triple. Much to the delight of Iriga City squad.
And ikinontinue nitong si Vernon Magpantay ang bleeding for Team Kamaligan with that three-pointer.
Wawa Ayo using the glass but misses the shot. Ayan na si Marquez with just 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Nakakatakot din na pumutok ang three-pointing prowess nitong si Wawa Ayo.
Ignacio again securing the rebound, fakes. And grabe, partner.
Dodoy Ignacio ay binubuhat ang kanyang team sa apak sa Kumunoy.
Tama
Sabi
ka
niya, mga brothers, hindi pwede to.
Samuel Ignacio is the man on the mission right now, anchoring the scoring of Kamaligan and decreasing the lead to only just 10 points with exactly 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half.
Kudos for Dodoy Ignacio.
Grabe, partner, talaga yung...
Ganun siya ka-patient sa ilalim,
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Very patient sa ilalim, talagang yumayanig sa ating sa labas at dito rin sa ating venue.
Oo, talagang grabe yung yanig dito sa Iriga Sports Complex. Ganun katindi ang Dodoy Ignacio at pinapakita niya yung kanyang ability.
Yes, partner, I admire this player talaga kasi si Ignacio, I guess, patapos na sa kanyang prime but still battling out with this type of tournament. Kita mo naman na medyo, kumbaga, Tito Gaming na ang pinapakita. Pero very effective itong si Samuel Ignacio.
When his team needed him the most, talagang he delivers.
Yes, tama. We are back to our ball game with a score of 40-30 in favor of Iriga City with exactly 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half.
Tama. And it will be Iriga's ball possession. 40-30, lamang po ng 10 ang Iriga. Kanina pumalo yan ng 15 points na kalamangan. But
Yes.
because of Dodoy Ignacio, unti-unti nakakahabol ang mga taga Kamaligan.
Marquez with a follow-away, misses the shot, but then again, there is Ignacio securing the rebound. Ayan na si Pableo, hearing to the crowd of Iriga City. Humihingi ng isolation. Ayan na, binigyan ng pick ni Ignacio. Pableo fakes. Ignacio with 10 seconds remaining. Ignacio for 3. Misses the shot. There is Keith Aguvida securing the offensive rebound and scoring for 2.
Cleaning the mess is the newly acquired Keith Agovida.
Ayan na si Dagi Olea against Babap Santa Maria. Pableo securing the possession. Babap Santa Maria on the 3-point line against Raton. Fakes, gives the ball to the post kay Keith Aguvida. Keith attacks, Keith fakes, spin, up and under. Misses the shot, but there is again Ignacio finishing for 2. Grabe, partner. Buhat on the
Saving
part
the
of Dodo.
day is Dodoy Ignacio.
Partner, as of my count, he scored 10 straight points, partner. And
Same spot.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Raton against Ignacio. Triple team. Raton gives the ball to Perea, but blocked by Keith Aguvida.
What a defensive play displayed by Keith Agovida.
Ayan na si Babap Santa Maria against Dagi Olea with 26 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Babap, pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Magpantay. Outlets to AJ Perea. And wisely waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to Dagi for 3. No good.
That's short.
Pableo securing with 7 seconds. Pableo spins. But he was defended well. Marquez for 3.
Kobe
In
Bryant
and
Tayo.
out. And that ends our first half with the score of 40-34 in favor of Iriga City. What an exciting first half, partner.
Yes, indeed, an electrifying first half of this much anticipated matchup between Kamaligan and Iriga. 40-34, nakakalaman po ng 6 ang home team na Iriga kontra sa Dayo na Kamaligan.
Yeah, so stay tuned, partner, sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Magbabalik po kami.
Diyan lamang po kayo.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Yes, magandang gabi Pilipinas, hello world, and once again, Diyos maray nabanggi mga kasurog.
And partner, nahuli ko ang aking partner na kumakain. Grabe kasi.
Nagutom ako grabe.
Grabe ka-intense ang ating first half. Talaga nagutom ang aking partner at kumakain. At ako din, hindi na rin
Ikaw balik ka rin sa CR, di ba? Kakatihi mo, grabe na.
Kinakabahan ako sa larong ito. And syempre, laban ng Iriga City versus Kamaligan. Partner, what an exciting first half, partner.
Oo, lang kami, magkakaroon ng parang feel na light kasi medyo masyadong intense yung ating ball game.
Yes.
Mga kasurog. And right now, we're about to witness once again the banging of the bodies and physicality of this ball game.
Tama ka dyan. During our first half, partner, grabe talaga. Spearheading the Iriga City squad is Marquez. And syempre ginantihan din niya ni Baba at ni Pableo, but on the last minutes of our ball game talaga kumamada si Ignacio that decreases the lead of Iriga to just single digits.
Kaya siguro nakita ko ngayon si parang Punsalan, Jomar Punsalan na ipasok na kasi minamama ni Dodoy Ignacio ang mga bigs nitong koponan ng Iriga.
Tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, after that missed 3-point shot ni Babap Santa Maria, yun na nga si Kita Govida securing again the possession and
Missing the
nakakuha
last shot.
but hindi niya nakompleto ang kanyang 3-point play. The score is 40-36. This is just a 4-point lead on the part of Iriga City.
Merong foul.
Yes, partner. An offensive foul was called on Jomar Punsalan against Kita Govida. Partner, medyo nahuli siya doon with an illegal pick. And that is a turnover on the part of Iriga City as early as 9 minutes and 30 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Ayan, in the early goings of this half, kailangan lang matapatan na ng Kamaligan ang score nitong lumalamang na Iriga.
Again, there is Ignacio missing the shot. Agovida again securing the rebound. But there is Himan. Ayan na si Punsalan powering his way. Himan secures the possession. And
Ayan,
grabe,
finally, nakascore ang mga Kamaligan.
grabe partner ang possession na yun
Heavily
talaga.
battled yung score na yon.
Yung white shirts talaga crashing those boards talaga with the likes of Himan. And si Ignacio syempre nandun pa rin to spearhead yung Kamaligan. Ayan na, Hermoso misses the 3-point bomb. Ayan na si Babap against Ulea.
It's just a 2-point lead now, partner.
Yes, Babap hesitates. Babap.
Easy
partner.
two.
What an hesitation move on the part of Babap Santa Maria,
We have a tight ball game.
eluding the defense of Iriga City. And now we have a deadlock, partner.
Yes, ganun kabilis. And ganun ang talaga naman ang dapat gawin ng mga taga-Kamaligan. And umepekto yon na ito na nga, sabi ko kanina, kailangan mahabol na nila ang kalamangan ng Iriga. And right now, napa-time out na ang Iriga dahil tabla na po tayo sa score na 40.
Yan, partner, yung tira kanina ni Himan sa ilalim. At yung Op, what an hesitation, partner. Nawala dun si Dagi Olea with that hesitation. Kaya talagang yun na nga nakascore ng easy 2 points si Babap Santa Maria.
At wala na rin nagawa doon si Jomar Ponsalan for the help defense.
Yes, we are back to our ball game. That score is 40-all with 8 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa ating jam-pack third quarter, partner.
Merong adjustments si Coach Ray Eraula. Inilabas na muna itong si Jomar Ponsalan at ibinalik na si Magpantay and Jock Villarmino.
Ayan na si Magpantay against Himan. Misses the shot. Babap Santa Maria secures the rebound. But he stepped out of bounds. Tinuro ng staff na ating ni Mayor Rex Oliva na nandun who is watching at the sidelines kan.
Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter.
Ayan na si AJ Pereira.
Tight ball game tayo, mga kasurog.
Gives the ball. Ayan na si Raton. Raton. Guarded by Ignacio. Gives the ball to Jock Villarmino. Raton. Medium range jumper. In and out. Rebound by Keith Agovida.
Ayun na naman tumatakbo si Babap Santa Maria.
What a bad pass. But Himan secures. Gives the ball to Ignacio. Misses the shot. Magpantay secures the rebound. Ayan na, Magpantay is rushing. In and out dribble. But stripped by Magpanta. Ayan na si Agovida with the fake. Blocked by Pereira. But there is Himan securing the possession.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang sinisecure na ng possession ng bawat kupunan.
And Jock Villarmino answers it back and tied the ball game with 42-all.
And securing that two-pointer also is Jock Villarmino. Ayan, tight ball game pa rin po tayo, 42-all.
Ayan na, Himan against Magpantay, one-on-one. Himan spins, gives the ball to Ignacio. Perimeter jumper, scores!
Easy money for the big guy.
Yes, partner, what a two-man game, partner. Talagang pinapakumit lang ni Himan ang depensa and then kinikick out lang sa kanyang bigs who has a soft touch outside. Ayan na again, Marquez misses the shot.
Nakalabang na po ngayon ang Kamaligan and sa kanila ngayon ang bola.
Agovida against Marquez, loses the ball but there is again Himan. Grabe, partner.
Nasa right time, right position itong si Himan and nasa position na din ang ating courtside reporter na si Miss Barbie Floriano. Miss Barbie, please come in.
Thank you for that, Coach John and Coach Morgan. Pinapakitaan nga tayo ng isang neck-to-neck battle ng Iriga at Kamaligan. Although pagpasok ng second quarter, Iriga was able to break the defense of Kamaligan, resulting them para lumayo ang point difference ng bawat team. However, this is considered as most anticipated match dahil una nang nagharap sa isang intertown tournament ang playing teams na ito. And here at Ako Bicol Cup, Kamaligan is seeking for a revenge win. That's why Iriga should not be complacent and not tend to relax with their lead since kitang-kita naman natin na Kamaligan is still working with their lapses and defense. That's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Yes,
Maraming
partner.
salamat.
Yes, yun na nga, partner, talaga naglaban ito sa isang liga dito sa Camarines Sur talaga. And I guess Iriga City won the title sa ligang iyon and yun na nga, seeking for a revenge is Kamaligan right now. This is, I guess, the right time na makabawi sila sa Team Iriga.
Ayan, indeed, Kamaligan is for a vengeance dito sa larong ito. And again, hindi po ito championship Ito po ay
This is just the last game or
Last
bigatin
game. Oo.
quarterfinals, partner.
tama ka dyan. 48-44, nakakalamang na po ng 4 na puntos ang Kamaligan at 5.44 sa ating relo at nasa free throw line pa rin si Perea for the second shot.
Yes, partner. Yan na nga, si AJ Perea was hacked during his drive in the basket but a sorry miss on the part of AJ Perea. Very unlikely, partner, kasi hindi talaga nagbimintis tong AJ Perea sa free throw line. Yan na
Oops.
si Babap.
Almost. Mababiolate sila doon ng 8-second violation. And yun na nga, Babap Santa Maria losing the ball at mukhang mayroon pang foul na matatawag.
Yes, partner, talagang what a defense on the part of Iriga, disrupting Babap Santa Maria to the lanes para lumusot. And ayun na nga, nanalo sila by forcing a turnover on the part of Kamaligan.
And right now it's Iriga's possession. Merong foul. Oh! It's an unsportsmanlike foul.
Yes, partner. That is very unusual on the part of Jock Bellarmino.
Oo.
In that case talaga, hindi kailangan ng mga ganong tic-tac fouls talaga, partner. Pero
Tama.
tingnan muna natin
Oo.
kung ano ang naging nangyari sa kanong sequence na yon.
Maganda naman na dito sa atin dahil mayroong mga review na kinoconduct yung ating mga officials. And we just hope na mapanood natin din para makita natin kahit yung slow-mo lang nung last na mga pangyayari dito po sa ating ongoing battle between Iriga and Kamaligan na talagang pa-intense dahil nandito na po tayo sa second half at mauubos na nga ang oras din. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng ating third quarter.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, this is a chess match between these two coaches talaga kasi very close ang ating laro, and syempre, yung nga sinasabi nila, one miss you die, a turnover will cause you a loss. So talagang every possession matters sa larong ito.
And this game will really matter for Iriga if they can win this. Even for a short margin, kahit isang puntos lang siguro ang maipanalo nila, they will have a chance na magkaroon ng upuan sa ating semifinals na will be going to happen next week.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Our semifinals is just around the corner. Talaga next week na lang. We'll just wait sa kabilang bracket. Talagang nangunguna na ang Naga City Casireños and yung Sangay, powered by Eugene Malyapre and Kenneth Pilapil. So talagang pakaabangan natin kung sino ang papasok sa ating kabilang bracket.
Dito sa bracket ito, itong bracket B.
Yes, partner. Pero I guess this Kamaligan squad is sure with a
slot.
With a slot. And it's going to be Goa or Iriga who will get the last ticket sa ating semifinals.
Pero kailangan munang dumaan sa butas ng karayom nitong Iriga against Kamaligan para magkaroon sila ng brighter spot para sa ating semifinals. And kung napakinggan nyo yung explanation kanina ni Coach Pao Biñas, hindi ko na kailangan pang i-explain yun further dahil malinaw na malinaw doon sa kanyang explanation.
Yes, partner. And Himan misses the first one. Sayang, partner.
Oo, nakikita na natin yung fatigue sa mga players.
Oh my God.
Ano nga, hindi na
Misses two free
maasinta.
throws.
Oo.
And sayang nun, partner.
So
But
we have Ignacio, Himan, Raymart Aquino, and Babap Santa Maria. Plus the other one, it's their new acquisition na si Kit Agubida para sa Kamaligan.
Ayan na si Babap against Dagi Olea. Babap Santa Maria gives the ball to Himan. Gives the ball to Ignacio at the post. Ayan na si Urada. Inuunti-unti Ignacio was fouled. Grabe, partner.
Ganon ka-persistent itong si Dodoy Ignacio. Sino man ang itapat sa kanya, mapa Jumar Ponsalan man o mapa Urada, talagang he will go strong going to the basket para magkaroon ng high percentage shot na talagang pinatunayan naman niya kanina sa last part ng ating second quarter.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na. Babap Santa Maria to corner. May pick na binigay si Aquino. Babap is in attack mode. Pull back. And Babap, top of the key. Three. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Olea, but there is Himan. Muntik ng maagaw. Marquez. Blocked by Babap Santa Maria.
And Marquez fell down on the floor pero hindi naman siguro siya hurt. Hindi naman siya nasaktan. Talagang grabe talaga yung depensa on both ends. Partner, talagang ganun katindi ang tapatan o bakbakan dito po sa ating final game ng ating bigaten quarterfinals.
Yes, akala ni Babap Santa Maria he got all ball, but ating referees
Yan naman, papasok na naman si Pableo.
Hearing to the crowd. And yun na nga, partner, talaga this player is very decorated. Talaga, I admire this player. This kid has a future. Kaya patuloy niya lang ang paglalaro.
Kapag umiscore itong si Pableo, medyo tagilid ang magiging lagay ng mga taga-Iriga.
Yes, partner. I guess the Kobe Bryant Pableos is still struggling sa ating laro. And I guess these adjustments will be made by coaches. Kaya tingnan niya. And the ball will go to Kamaligan. And yun na nga, partner. Kita natin na mayroong pressure defense na na-apply ngayon ang Iriga City. Tingnan natin kung magbubunga ang trapping defense na binibigay ng Iriga. Ayan na. Kamli. Ayan na si Hinan. Spins. Hinan using the left hand for 2.
And using the board for that two-pointer.
And that two-point shot is brought to you by Bisibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. Grabe, partner, yung tirang yon ay parang napatalon sa upuan ng ating kabutihing congressman na si Congressman Jill Bongalon.
Sigurado yan.
Who is now watching daw right now. Maraming salamat, Kong, for watching. And syempre si Kong Saldico, maraming salamat sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa aming liga.
And of course, ako Bicol Party List.
Yeah.
Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Yes, tama ka. Binabaliwala ng Kamaligan ang trapping defense na binibigay ng Iriga because si Himan calmly attacking. And yan si Ignacio, top of the key. Three!
Boom!
Grabe, partner. And that three-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
What a big shot for that big guy, Dodoy Ignacio.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Raton. Top of the key against Ignacio. Muntik na maagaw. At there is Babap to disrupt. And yun na nga, partner. What a defense on the part of Babap and Ignacio.
Ayan, so nabalagtad na po ang sitwasyon. Iriga na ang under pressure in this competition. Ang isa lang na talagang nakakalamang pa ang Iriga is yung kanilang sixth man, which is the crowd.
What a strip by Magpantay. A turnover on the part, but ay counter steal sana. Pero natawagan ng foul.
Itong si
Himan.
Himan.
We have a substitution on the part of Kamaligan. I guess papalitan si Himan. Papasok si Wawa Ayo because Himan is now nursing 3 personal fouls, I guess.
Oh, that's a good decision on the part of Coach Brian Ayo.
Yes, yun ang partner. A very costly turnover on the part of Dagi Ulea. This player is a veteran player, so no need. I guess this types of ball game talaga dapat maging
Composed talaga kayo
tayo.
and maiwasan yung mga forced turnovers na yan.
Ayan, Babap with an in and out dribble. Pull up for 2 but misses the shot. Darius Marquez securing the rebound. Ayan na si Magpantay against Wawa Ayo behind the back dribble. Gives the ball to Dagi Ulea against Babap Santa Maria. Gives the ball to Magpantay. Magpantay.
And he was fouled by Kobe Bryant Pableo. And that one will that count? Hindi naman.
No, partner.
No. Okay. I thought nakita ko na nagsisignal yung referee na counted.
Yes na nga, Kobe Bryant Pableo now has 3 personal fouls, I guess. Kaya pinalitan kaagad siya. Ayun na nga.
And both teams now, partner, are in the penalty.
Yes, partner. That means every free throw will visit the players sa ating free throw line. But a sorry miss on the part of Magpantay. And tingnan natin kung masisecure niya ang second free throw.
We will see. Ayan, pasok na nga yan.
Magpantay 6, the second free throw. Ayan na, may pressure defense pa rin na ina-apply ang mga naka-blue shirts. By the way, the blue shirts are the Iriga City. And siyempre naman, yung white and blue, violet shorts ang Kamaligan. That is another bad foul on the part of Iriga City kasi they're now in the penalty and walang bola si Himan, so there is no threat for an offense, kaya medyo hindi maganda ang naitawag.
That's a bad foul.
Yes, partner.
Indeed, bad foul away from the ball. And a good shot naman on the part of Alexis Hinan.
Yes, na partner. This Alexis Himan is reminds me of a former PBA player. Mac Talio is now playing a 3x3, partner. Yung build ng katawan niya, tapos paano siya umatake. Mac Talio, ayan na.
Similar o identical na identical.
Orada Raton securing the rebound, gives the ball to Pereira against Himan. Magpantay, hands it off to Marquez. against Aguvida. Ayan na si Raton with 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Raton misses the shot. Wawa Ayo securing the rebound. Ayan na si Himan, in and out dribble, attacking. Gives the ball to Ignacio. Himan again, securing. But misses.
Ignacio was quite a bit surprised with that drop pass from Hinan.
Yes, what a block partner by Himan. Ayan na partner, AJ Perea. Nangangalabaw na talaga.
Grabe.
Ayun na.
Dahil matindi, intense na intense din ang defense nitong mga naka-white shirts. So we're witnessing a truly quality basketball being brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa, and syempre pa ng ating mga giting at mga mahal na Congressman Saldico. And of course, again, Kong Jill who is also watching right now.
Yes, tama ka dyan partner. Ayun na, AJ Perea sinks the second free throw. And meron tayong substitution, a new guy on the part of Iriga. Si Cruz, I guess, pinasok. I guess to man Himan because nga he is taller and bigger than Himan.
Okay, we will see kung ano magiging epekto nito on the part of Iriga with Cruz around trying to prevent Himan.
What a crossover partner. Pull up for 3 but misses the shot. Cruz securing the rebound. Ayan na si Cruz is rushing. Intercepted by Babap Santa Maria. Ayan na si Babap. Gives the ball to Aguvida, to Himan with a fake. Wawa Ayo. Step back 3.
Yes! What a play! Napakaganda yung pasahan ng mga taga-Kamaligan.
And that 3-point shot is brought you by Hotel Venecia and much to the delight of Aike family sa Albay who is watching right now for sure. Mike, Marvin, magandang gabi sa inyo. And si Dagi takes the 3, misses the shot.
And he thought he was fouled.
Yes, partner. Yun na nga, partner. He was fishing for a foul but the referees did not make the call. Ayun na, with 14 seconds remaining sa shot clock ng Iriga. Oleya gives the ball to Magpantay. Magpantay with a behind the back dribble. Step back 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na, Oleya for 3.
Wala pa rin.
No good. Rebound by Keith Agubida. Keith. Ayun na nga, partner. Nahuli.
I thought it was a good steal pero merong contact itong si Vernon Magpantay.
Yun na nga, partner. Meron tayong foul na itinawag sa ating mga taga-Iriga.
What a
Nasi-
daunting task, partner, para sa Iriga to win this ball game against the powerhouse team of Kamaligan.
Yes, partner talaga. But I guess this is a even match for tonight's ball game kasi alam naman natin yung 6 man talaga na nandito sa ating
Tama,
venue.
tama.
Yun ang talagang nagpapalakas ng loob ng mga taga-Iriga and Aguvida. Misses the second one. And ayun na nga, si Jock Villarmino. 1-on-1 against Himan. Gives the ball to Marquez. Against the much smaller Wawa Ayo. Marquez, give and go. Gives to Marquez again for 3. Medyo partially deflected ni Progoso yun, partner. Grabe yung haba
Kaya
ng
hindi man lang tumama sa ring yung bola.
Ayan na si Babap. Drops it up to Pagoso. Using the glass. And instant offense on the part of Bragoso.
Another good play on the part of Team Kamaligan.
Ayan na. Marquez against Jock Villarmino. Fakes for 3.
Grabe, mayroong wrestling away from the ball.
We have a wrestling match sa ilalim. Pragoso, I guess, and Marquez battling out for the position. And yun na nga.
Nagkabuhol-buhol ang mga binti, ang mga...
Yun na nga, partner. This is playoff basketball for you, partner. This is do or die on the part of Iriga. Kaya naman talagang kailangan nilang manalo sa larong ito.
Oo, at ang hinahabol nila po ay 12 puntos para at least tumapat sa score ng Kamaligan na 60 at magkaroon ng chance na maka-lead dito sa ball game as we get ourselves closer and closer sa ating fourth quarter action, which is going to be the last part of this high competent or highly high competition na experience natin ngayon.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. This is a good quality ball game for us. Hatid sa inyo syempre ng Ako Bicol Party List and ni Congressman Saldico and si Kong Jill who is watching right now talaga. Maraming salamat po and syempre nandito ang ating on hand, ang ating commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera who is very on hand sa ating tournament. Maraming salamat po.
And sa suporta ng siyempre mga kaibigan, of course, the brother of our commissioner, si Sir Ino Rivera na nandito na ngayon. And all out din sa suporta. Of course, we have Coach Paulo Biñas na talaga namang maasahan natin sa kung ano-ano mang mga bagay-bagay na kakailanganan natin dito sa ating liga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, the hardworking men, yung ating tumutulong sa atin, sina Job, si Carl, si Aldrin, who has always been in the venue. Nangunguna dito para mag-ayos sa ating setup. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
And maraming salamat po sa LGU ng Iriga for having us here dito sa napakagandang venue, which is the Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, and a partner, we have a free throw on the part of Marquez against the basket on that shot of Jock Villarmino is counted. And meron foul na itinawag kay Fragoso. So 2 free throws on the part of Marquez. That decreases the lead only to 11 points. Marquez 2 for 2 sa ating free throw line.
It is now just partner a 8-point lead.
Yes, partner. With 22 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, He-Man humihingi ng isolation. And He-Man against Olea with 13 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Ayan
He-Man,
na nga ang pick.
Wawaayo with a long bomb. No good. He-Man. But there is Kita Govida. Wawaayo again for 3. Cup. This is the shot. But Agovida secures.
At yun na nga, nagtapos ang ating third quarter na hindi nakascore ang Kamaligan sa kanilang last possession.
And yun na nga, partner. And that ends our third quarter, partner. Grabe ang labanan natin ngayon.
They have a lot of chances pero hindi pinalad ang Kamaligan.
Yes, partner. Yes, partner. Eto na. We are down to our fourth and final quarter.
Eto na yun.
Basketball gods. Baba na rito. At sa niba ng both teams para naman magkaroon tayo ng much exciting and much magandang fourth quarter sa larong ito.
The championship quarter, kumbaga. Eto na yon. And pasalamatan uli natin yung ating mga sponsors, the Seabees Bay, Highlands Legazpi. Of course, maraming salamat po sa Hotel St. Elise and Hotel Venetia.
Yes, partner. Tama ka dyan. Yun na nga. I guess, kumbaga sabi nga pag fourth quarter, this is back to zero, partner. It's anybody's ball game. But Kamaligan is up by 8 points. So talagang tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging plano ng Iriga City to decrease the lead of Kamaligan.
Huwag kayong bibitaw, mga kasurog. Diyan lamang kayo sa inyong mga upuan. Huwag kayong aalis dahil anything can happen. And yan, yung mga viewers natin online na nasa almost 4,000 live viewers. Manatili po kayo nakatutok dahil ihahatid na po namin in just a few minutes ang fourth quarter action ng tapatan, ng bakbakan, ng girian nitong dalawang kupunan, ang Iriga at ng Kamaligan.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Now, this is the final quarter, partner.
And this is it. Again, it's a must-win situation. A must-win for Team Iriga. They need to win this ball game. Kahit isang punto o 2 puntos, it doesn't matter as long as they will win. Magkakaroon sila ng pagkakataon para makasama pa sa semifinals. If not, ay malamang ang Goa ang pumasok with this top seed team na Kamaligan.
Yan ang partner, si Pereira. Drops it up to Raton. Raton against Pableo. Grabe, partner.
Good play.
Grabe si Raton, powering his way inside against Pableo.
Will it be Raton who will be stepping up for Team Iriga? We will know.
Ayan na si Wawa Ayo. Hands it off to Babap Santa Maria. Santa Maria against Jock Villarmino. Gives the ball to Keith Aguvida and was stolen by Jock Villarmino. Ayan na si Villarmino using the glass for
What a shot
two.
there by Jock Bellarmino. Kaya lang napasama yung bagsak niya doon. Na-slide siya
Yes, partner, I guess.
after he made that shot.
Sana naman, partner, this is not a serious case on the part of Jock, pero nakikita ko talagang pinagpag lang, partner. Sabi niya, this is playoffs and I have to be inside the court. So talagang pagpag lang and sabay sign of the cross and balik sa ating laro.
Tama, medyo masakit yon. Talagang sigurado tayo na naramdaman niya yon. Pero yun nga, sabi mo, ipinagpag lang. At eto, ready na naman siya na dumipensa para kay Babap Santa Maria.
Yun na nga, Iriga City is now chanting defense. Yan na si Pableo against Marquez. One-on-one binigay kay Keith Aguvida at the post. Aguvida against Raton. Aguvida attacks, kicks it out to Wawa Ayo for 3. No good. Keith Aguvida securing the rebound. Dinukot, wala. And Aguvida forcing the issue. This is the shot. Ayan na si Jock Villarmino. One-on-one against Babap Santa Maria.
And nakasungkit ng foul. While going strong to the basket, itong si Jock Bellarmino. What a determination.
Yes, grabe, partner talaga. Hats off to this guy despite kanina muntik na siyang hindi makatayo sa injury na natamo niya siguro, but now he's in the free throw line, who is a very courageous and making his first free throw. Ayan na, Iriga is smelling blood right now.
Trimming down the lead to just a 3 points.
Yes, they're knocking at the doorsteps of Kamaligan. Ayan na si Jock Villarmino, sinks 2 free throws, and Brian Ayo will stop the bleeding and adjust because Iriga City squad is now just a 4-point lead for a tie.
And they are on the verge of leading in this ball game if they will not stop. Ayan, nagkaroon ng problema yung passer natin. Ayaw nang huminto. Nako!
Yun na nga, partner, it's a sign that Iriga is now the...
Ayaw din nilang huminto. Hindi sila hihinto without winning this ball game. We will see. Meron pa tayong ilang minuto po. Kakastart lang ng ating fourth and final quarter. Kaya anything can happen. And it's happening good on the part of Iriga dahil ayan, unti-unti nakahabol sila sa score dito sa lumalamang kanina na Kamaligan. Nagkaroon tayo ng technical problem. Yung scoreboard natin mukhang i-reset. So kailangan ma-reset muna yan bago tayo bumalik sa ating laban. Again, marami po tayong viewers online. Kanina umaabot po tayo ng 6,000 live viewers. And right now, patuloy pa rin po ang pagkapit ng ating mga kasurog na nanonood gamit ang ating mga Facebook pages, ang Ako Bicol Online TV, ang Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, and syempre pa yung Facebook page ng ating mahal na Congressman or Representative Saldico Facebook page. Yung YouTube natin mukhang tinigil muna kasi medyo sabi ng ating technical head na si Christian Calleja, dahil sa sobra lang tao dito sa venue ay medyo mayroong epekto sa data na nakukuha natin dito sa ating Iriga Sports Complex. Kaya yon, sa mga Facebook pages na lang po muna tayo manood. Kung tayo po ay nanonood sa ating mga tahanan, tayo ay nanonood kung saan man. So ayan, 2-point lead lang. Ayan, talagang hindi pa rin, wala pa rin humpay ang tao dito sa loob ng Iriga Sports Complex witnessing this high-branded basketball na ibinibigay sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Di mahulog ang karayom ngayon. And meron pa tayong viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Talagang maraming salamat po. At nakakataba po ng puso.
Partner, walang inuman ha.
Nahuli mo ako, partner, kasi kung napapansin mo, medyo
Talagang kailangan natin uminom dahil magiging dry yung ating lalamunan yan dahil sa sobrang intense ng ating laban. We're taking a look at the bigs of Kamaligan na nasa center court ngayon. Sina Dodoy Ignacio and Kobe Bryant Pableo. Si Kobe Bryant Pableo, if I'm not mistaken, nakakadalawang puntos pa lang. Wala pa talaga siyang offensive contribution. Gaya ng mga na-contribute niya sa kanilang mga previous games mula sa eliminations hanggang sa dito sa ating bigatin quarterfinals. I think everything is set para makabalik tayo sa ating ball game. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Mayor of Iriga. Ayan, Mayor Rex Oliva. Sir, magandang gabi po.
yes, good evening po. Mayor Rex, thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup. Camarines Sur, yan na si Wawa Ayo. Eluding the defense, kicks it out to Relucio. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Gives the ball to Ignacio at the post. Ignacio spins. Back to Wawa Ayo. Wawa. And 3 seconds on the part of Samuel Ignacio. Sayang, partner. A good shot sana kay Wawa Ayo, but a turnover on the part of Ignacio.
Tama. And it's just a 2-point lead. Ngayon, nasa Iriga na naman ang bola. They will have a chance to lead or to even the score.
Yes, na. AJ Perea. Ginugulo na Relucio. Gives the ball to Raton sa ibabaw. Lobs it up to magpantay against Wawa Ayo. Powering his way.
And there you go!
Against the much smaller Wawa Ayo. And here we go, partner. We are tied sa ating laro with 8 minutes exactly sa ating laro.
And that last shot made by Magpantay was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Ayan na, partner. Babap Santa Maria. May pick na galing kay Ignacio. Babap against Raton. Kicks it out to Wawa Ayo. Wawa kicks the ball to Relucio. Fakes. Relucio attacks. And he was stripped.
Almost losing the ball. At yun na nga, yung mga referee tumawag na ng jump ball. And sino ba ang naituturo ng ating arrow?
And yun na nga, partner, naputukan ng 24-second shot clock.
24-second shot clock.
Violation.
What a good defense on the
Ang
part
Kamaligan, partner.
of Iriga.
Partner.
And,
Those turnovers will kill them kasi dapat may panira na, partner, pero they opted to drive in. But I guess that open shot must be taken on the part of Kamaligan. Ayan si Marquez. Gives the ball to Raton. Raton, nabitawan ng bola. Ayan na si Himan. But there is Marquez and Raton. And now the lead is back to Iriga City.
lack of position. Lucky position on the part of Raton.
And
what a hustle.
The crowd goes wild after that shot made by Raton.
Sabi ni Marquez, kalma lang, kalma lang. Medyo iika-ika itong si Raton kaya pinalitan muna nitong si Jason Orada.
Yes, and si Bilarmino, top of the key. May pick na binigay kay Magpantay. Magpantay, one-on-one against Pableo. Ayan na, Magpantay attacks. Kicks the ball to Marquez for 3.
Yes!
And now,
A big shot from this big guy, Marquez.
and Iriga crowd goes wild on that sequence. Ayan na si Ignacio against Orada. Gives the ball to Kita Govida inside and scoring for 2.
Ayan ang ganti naman ng newly acquired na si Agovida, Keith Agovida for Kamaligan.
Ayan
And
na.
ayan ang kanyang big rebound. Grabe, yung banggaan ni na Vernan magpantay at itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo. And we just hope na
This
hindi
is
naman
nothing
ganun
serious.
katindi or serious yung naging impact ng pagkakabagsak ng ulo nitong si Vernan magpantay. I think it's okay. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God.
Grabe partner, medyo natulala ako doon kasi I guess akala ko talagang serious yung injury, but thank God talaga na magpantay is okay right now, and we're just waiting for the verdict or kung anong hatol ng ating mga referees sa nakaraang sequence na yon.
Banggaan yun ni na Pableo. And again, Vernan magpantay was okay right now. Nasa bench nila. We're just waiting for the referees kung ano ang kanilang magiging verdict. So it's going to be, hindi ko masyadong naintindihan yung ating arena announcer na si JV from here.
Pero partner, take a look at that situation. Ayon partner, medyo it's a 50-50 calls I guess kasi it's magpantay I guess is not in the position right now. Tingnan mo partner. So tingnan natin ang ating review.
Go tayo. It's going to be Iriga's ball. And magpantay, balik na sa ball game.
Yes, ayan na si Magpantay, heavily guarded by He-Man. May pick na binigay si Orada. Ayan na, Magpantay is now leading. Iriga City gives the ball to Jock Bellarmino. One-on-one against Babap Santa Maria.
10 to shoot.
And to shoot. Ayan na si Orada attacking, but there is Agovida to disrupt the pass. Orada again.
It's a jump ball.
It's a jump ball, but I guess kitang-kita napapunta ang Kamaligan sa kanilang goal. So talagang it's Kamaligan's basketball.
Yes. Pero good hustle on the part of Jason Orada.
But a sorry miss on the part of Jason Orada din partner talaga. That's a gimme. Kumbaga, it's a sure 2 points, but it happens. Na si He-Man against Magpantay spinning. He-Man with 15 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. He-Man spins, attacks, and
What a
scores
move!
for 2, and the stare down on the part of He-Man. Grabe partner.
What a sensational move mula kay Alexis He-Man.
Grabe partner, and I guess that could be a candidate and a partner with the spin, the foul, and the English for 2 partner. And partner, tingnan natin. Ayan ang partner.
Yan, we're taking a look at the slow-mo pero wala na, nakat na yun. Ito na, completing the 3-point play opportunity is Alexis He-Man. Napakagandang play.
Yan again, we are deadlocked sa 65. Partner, kapit! This is going to be a war sa mga susunod na minuto.
Under 6 minutes to go sa ating ball game.
Jock Bellarmino using the glass, misses the shot. Aquino securing the rebound. Ayan na si He-Man. One-on-one against Magpantay. And Bellarmino gives the ball to Babap Santa Maria with 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Babap against Orada, hesitate. Babap stops. Kicks the ball to Aquino. Top of the key three. No good. Rebound. What a boxing out on the part of Jock Bellarmino.
Tama.
Securing the possession for Iriga City.
Nice defensive move for Jock Bellarmino.
And ayan ang partner si Ulea. One-on-one against Santa Maria. Hands it off to Jock Bellarmino with 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bellarmino for 3. Misses the shot, but there is Orada. Ulea for 3. He was fouled in the act of in the 3-point territory. And I guess kung nakapasok yung partner, the crowd
Will go wild.
will go wild. But then again, Dagi Ulea will shoot 3 free throws.
Tama, and we'll have a chance to lead once again dito sa ball game na to. Under 5 minutes. Mintis ang unang tira ni Olea.
Yes, partner. Dagi Ulea is still struggling sa ating laro. And I guess, partner, misses
And
the
so as the
second
second
free
one,
throw.
this is a crucial
Grabe, partner.
opportunity.
Olea is a hometown hero dito, partner. So kailangan hindi niya biguin.
Oh!
But a sorry miss on the part of Dagi Ulea. 3 crucial free throws. Ayan na si Himan attacking, spinning. No good. Aguvida secures the rebound. Aguvida. Blocked by
blocked.
Marquez. Aguvida again.
Block
Blocked
once
again by
again.
Marquez. Grabe, partner. But Aguvida's there. And he was fouled by
At siya na.
Marquez.
Napakagandang determination ay pinakita doon ni Keith Aguvida. He was, talagang pinahiya na siya doon ng 2 beses. Pero hindi pa rin siya nawala ng pag-asa. Grabbing those rebound and taking those second chances. At right now, nasa free throw line siya because he got fouled by Marquez.
Yes, partner, this is a chance of Kamaligan to get back in the lead. Yan na si Aguvida. Misses the free throw. Grabe, partner. This both teams now struggling sa ating free throw line. But we'll see kung maipapasok ni Keith Aguvida ang kanyang free throw. And
Ramdam na ramdam kasi partner yung tensyon talaga sa mga sitwasyon na ganito. Kaya even veteran players finds it difficult to convert these important free throws na normally naipapasok nila.
yes, partner, nagkaroon tayo ng konting kalituan. Ayan na si Aguvida. Sinks the
Ayan.
second free throw, partner. And now the lead is back to Kamaligan.
With just a 1-point lead. Oh! Sayang yon. But it's still going to be Irigas basketball. Inilabas na itong si Olea at ipinasok muli si Marquez for Iriga.
Yes, yun ang partner. Medyo talaga on the defensive side kasi medyo nahuli si Dagi Ulea. These guards of Kamaligan keep on attacking Dagi Ulea because he is now nursing 3 personal fouls. Yan na si Jock Villarmino with the wild shot.
And he was fouled.
And yun ang partner.
So grabe yung tensyon na nararamdaman natin dito ngayon. Ayan, as we can see from here, yung team ng Iriga is on a huddle. While Jock Villarmino is making those big shots from the free throw line.
Yes, partner. We are now again tied. This is, I guess, the 7th deadlock sa ating laro, partner. Kumbaga, this game is very close. Kaya pakaabangan natin, partner. Ayan na si Villarmino. Sinks 2 free throws. And the lead is now back to Iriga City.
It is now 67-66. Nakakalabang po ang home team na Iriga at 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Sa ating fourth quarter, ayan na si Bap Santa Maria. Launches a 3, wala.
Misses the shot. Aguvida securing the rebound but misses the shot. Aguvida again. And he was fouled in the act of shooting. And now, si Keith Aguvida is in the line to redeem kanina sa namintis niyang free throw. But yun na nga, partner, what a rebounding on the part of Keith Aguvida.
Napakalaki ng papel nitong newly acquired nilang si Keith Aguvida para sa koponan ng Kamaligan, lalong-lalo na dito sa mga huling minuto ng ating laro.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Keith Aguvida. Calmly sinks the first one. Yun na, partner. As of nalaman ko, partner, si Keith Aguvida pala is a product of Arellano University. And now, he sinks 2 free throws, partner. Kaya, grabe, partner. Very calm and composed itong player na ito.
Tama, and hindi siya talaga nadi-disappoint easily after being blocked by so many times before fishing a foul or making a shot.
Ayan na si Raton, heavily guarded by Ignacio. With 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Belarmino, pull-up jumper. No good. There is Aquino to secure the rebound. Ayan na partner, He-Man against Belarmino. Partner Kapit, this is going to be a battle for ages, sigurado yan. Ayan na si He-Man, may pick galing kay Ignacio, one-on-one. He-Man gives the ball to Ignacio, fakes, attacks. With 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Avida, top of the key three. No good.
Almost, but not quite.
Vintes partner. Ayun na si Belarmino, outlets to Magpantay, gives the ball to Raton. Stops and pops. And
Oh, what a sorry miss.
What a sorry miss on the part of Raton. And now we are nearing the 3-minute mark sa ating laro. Babap Santa Maria.
Lamang pa rin ang isa ang mga taga-Kamaligan at nasa kanila ang bola.
Ayan na si Babap against Magpantay. Spins with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Babap. Ayan na may pick. Babap fires for 3. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Marquez. And outlets to Orada. Orada scores for
Big
two.
shot from Jason Orada. That's the biggest shot sa game na ito para sa kanya.
And now the lead is back to Iriga City. Agovida at the post against Raton. Agovida attacks. Hands it off to Babak for 3. Using the pass.
Yes!
Grabe naman yun, partner. And
Napakaganda yung pagtsatsaga nitong si Keith Agovida. Nakita niya na wala siyang clear shot, kaya nakita niya mas clear ang space for Babap Santa Maria, making that three-pointer for Team
tama
Kamaligan.
ka dyan, and Vernon Magpantay. Answer is back. And we are now tied, and we are in the twilight zone with 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter.
And we are Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner, Ignacio against Orada. Gives the ball to Babap again for 3. Bam! If you don't like that, you don't like Ako Bicol basketball.
I like that, partner. And they like that too.
Ayun na, Belarmino, blocked by Ignacio. And the possession will go to Kamaligan.
Very lousy play on the part of Joke Belarmino. We have a 6K viewers, live viewers sa ating Facebook page.
Ayan na si
Maraming
Babap.
salamat.
Babap atake, gives the ball to Ignacio. Kicks it out to Kita Govida with 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Babap, long bomb, short. He-Man securing with 1 second. And naputukan ang 24-second shot clock ang Kamaligan.
We have 1 minute and 8 seconds, partner. Nakakalamang ng tatlo ang Kamaligan, 74-71. It's going to be Iriga's possession when we get back. Grabe, partner. Ibang klase ang larong ito sa pagtatapos ng ating bigaten quarterfinals dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg. Talagang sulit na sulit. Wala na kayong binayaran. Na-entertain pa kayo ng grabe, ng todo-todo. San pa kayo?
This is Sunday special. This is Father's Day special for you guys talaga. Thank you for watching Ako Bicol Cup.
And right now, ito yung mga teams na sa huddle trying to figure out kung paano sila makaka-take advantage sa ganitong sitwasyon.
As of now, we have 6.3 viewers, partner. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta na binibigay nyo sa amin, partner. Pwede uminom ng tubig, partner.
Pwede. Ako rin, iinom din ako. 6.3K viewers. Meron po tayo ngayon. And that's a record dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ayan, tubig muna, partner.
Pero partner, kapit, sabi nga sa Daraga, yup mga abay, this is going to
Mga
be
abay! O,
Ayan ang
puntik ng backing violation doon si Magpantay.
Magpantay, ginugulo ni He-Man. Ayan ang Magpantay, kicks it out to Pirea for 3. No good. Rebound by Babap. He-Man is alone and flies and scores for 2.
And that's the dagger.
And now the lead is up to 5 points. Yun na nga, Pirea, top of the key, spins, attacks, in
And
and out.
fails.
And yun na nga, Kita Govida securing the possession. And Orada steals the ball. Gives the ball to Perea. Ayun na nga. Oops! Olea. And titingnan ng ating mga referees kung anong magiging hatol. I guess nagturo ang ating mga referees sa ating screen. So tingnan natin.
Oo. Sino ang nakahuling touch ng bola o naka-last touch? We will see. Kanino mapupunta ang possession in this very crucial last seconds of this ball game. 76-71, lamang po ng 5 ang Kamaligan. Again, this is a must-win situation for Iriga, but looks like talagang dadaan sila sa karayom.
Yes, partner, I guess this is just as anybody's ball game, partner. This is just a 5-point lead, knowing Iriga City has shooters around them. And syempre yung experience nila di matatawaran. So tingnan natin kung ano ang design play na ibinibigay ni Coach Ray.
They need to get back to themselves. They need to get their composure back. Very important. Talagang gano'n na ang kailangan nila sa sitwasyon ito.
Yes, partner.
No lousy passes, no lousy plays.
This is just a 2-possession ball game, partner. If I were the coach, partner, sasabihin ko na I'll go for a quick 2, partner, and get back on defense. Yan na si Magpantay.
Pero ibang naisip
Rainbow
ni Magpantay.
Misses the shot. Raton secures the rebound. Bellarmino for 3.
Wala pa
No
rin.
good, but there is Babap Santa Maria
And this is
securing
it.
the possession. Ayan na si Aquino. Drops it up to Himan. I
And
guess
once again,
that is the nail in the coffin. Himan is on a mission right now.
and it's Kamaligan.
I guess with 14.1 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Will go home victorious tonight kontra sa home team na Iriga, who's talagang uuwi ng luhaan itong mga taga-Iriga dahil sa pagkatalong ito.
Yes, what a courage on the part of Himan talaga, stepping up. Even yung usual suspects nila sa scoring, ang Kamaligan na si Babap is medyo struggling tonight. But still, third quarter, fourth quarter talagang pinukpok ni Himan with those daredevil drives and attacking those rim partner.
And yung defense pa ni Himan talagang nag-contribute ng todo dito sa larong ito. Pero huwag kayong kukurap, 14 seconds pa po ang nalalabi.
Ayan na si Raton, hands it off to Perea. AJ Perea kicks it out to Bellarmino for 3.
And
Drains the
Bellarmino,
three.
sabi niya, buhay pa tayo.
This is just a 5-point lead, partner. But I guess ayan na si Kita Govida. Ayan na si Babap all alone for 2. And I guess it's over, ladies and gentlemen.
That's it. That is it.
Yun na nga, partner. I guess this is over on the part of Iriga City.
Our official and final score, it's 80-73.
74, partner. 80,
74. Okay, congratulations
to Kamaligan.
to Kamaligan na walang mancha ang kanilang record dito sa ating bigatin quarterfinals 4-0. Samantala, ang Iriga ay meron ng let me take a look para sigurado yung ating magiging meron na silang 2-2
So, ayan na, partner.
na
I
record.
guess there is, we will have a clearer picture on the part sa ating Final Four. I guess, pasok na ang Team Kamaligan sa ating semifinals. And
Sure
syempre,
na, ang
and
Goa.
si Goa. And we have a 4 teams completing sa ating Final Four, partner.
At sila yung magsasagupaan na sa ating semis who's going to be happening
Next week, partner.
next week.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Partner, it's always been a pleasure having you as a partner sa mga ganitong type ng laro. Talaga, partner.
Lagi mo
Please
ako,
po, partner.
lagi mo ako partner na uunahan.
Partner, talaga. I'm speechless sa nangyaring laro. This is my first time to cover na ganito kalaki ang crowd. And syempre, nandyan yung intensity, nandyan yung buwis-buhay ng mga players. So talagang kudos and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood sa ating Facebook Live, YouTube channel, sa ating venue. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, maraming salamat at walang nasaktan Although nandun yung mga pisikalan kanina, mayroong mga bagsakan sa floor, pero magpasalamat tayo dahil walang mga major injuries na natamo ang mga players natin from both teams at naging maayos naman ang ating laro. Napaka-crucial na laro between these two exciting ball clubs, ang Team Kamaligan at ng Team Iriga.
Yes, partner, what more can you ask? This is Sunday special. This is Father's Day special sa atin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa sumuporta at nanood dito sa ating venue, partner.
Thank you very much. Once again, hindi ko kami mauubusan ng pasasalamat sa inyo ni Wadi John Bachiller. At we're just waiting for our courtside reporter na si Miss Barbie Floriano na bitbitin.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga,
Bitbitin yung ating kasurog player of the ball game.
yes, partner. We have marami tayong candidates sa ating kasurog.
Babap
Best
Santa
player,
Maria.
Yes, Babap Santa Maria who drains the triple shot. And syempre yung steady veteran presence ni Kita Govida na tama ka, is newly acquired sa Team Kamaligan. Kaya talagang yun na nga, pukpok talaga. Kaya wala tayong tulak kabigin dito sa Kamaligan squad.
Tama, hindi man nag-contribute ng scoring much itong ating yung newly acquired na si Keith Agovida, pero yung presence niya, yung dominance niya sa ilalim ay nandun.
Tama,
Talagang
partner.
yung kanyang determination to get those baskets, get those rebounds, eh nando doon. Pero sige, we will see kung sino ang of course, kandidato natin dyan, si Alexis Himan, di ba?
Ay, oo,
Sa ating
partner talagang.
kasurog player of the game.
Kandidato natin yan, si Alexis talaga. Marami tayong kandidato sa ating ngayong gabing ito. But syempre, partner, it's an honor talaga. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. At syempre, batiin ko na rin. Ito na yung ating opportunity na batiin ko na rin ang aking anak na who is watching right now, Franco Miguel, Juan Carlos Bachiller. Good evening and happy Father's Day pa rin sa aking tatay, Ray Bachiller, aking mami. Ma, magandang gabi. And sino pa, partner? Baka may pabatiin ka.
Babatiin ko din yung mga anak ko na magaling na rin maglaro. Sina Jerjim Alec and Ken Madronio. I'm sure nanonood ngayon and makakasama dyan sa relocation sa Anislag. Sina Jeff De La Torre and lahat-lahat na nanonood dyan. Maraming salamat and good luck sa inyong mga careers.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And siyempre, batiin ko rin ang aking mga constituents sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And mahal kayo ni Kagawad. And yun na nga, partner, yun na nga yung...
We're about to end this coverage right now at iniintay na lang natin na maipasok ni Miss Barbie Floriano ang ating kasurog player of the ball game at konting chit-chat with kung sino man ang ating magiging kasurog player of the game dito sa epic game between Iriga and Kamaligan.
Yes, partner, what an epic way to end our bigatin quarterfinals with those kinds of games talaga, partner. Napakaganda. Yes, partner. Sabi ko nga, what an epic ball game sa larong ito. And syempre, partner, nandito na ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie kasama ang ating kasurog, best player of the ball game. Barbie, sa'yo na to.
Indeed, that was an intense game. And now, here with me is our kasurog player of the game, jersey number 45, Alexis Himan from Team Kamaligan, who gained 19 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals. So congratulations, Alexis. So that was a puzzle-taste game. Which part of your tonight's game ang pinakamahirap para sa inyong team?
Ay yung first shot namin kasi nahirapan kami. Ang lakas talaga ng Iriga eh. Hindi kami makapasok sa depensa nila. Kaya sabi ng coach namin na mag-depensa muna bago mag-opensa. Yun lang sinabi niya. Saka nagpapasalamat ako sa captain ball namin na si Barde. Siya yung tumutulong kay coach. Ayun lang.
May mga karagdagang katanungan po ba kayo, Coach John and Coach Morgan?
Ewan ko dito sa aking katabi.
Yes,
meron siyempre.
Alexis, congratulations for winning the kasurog, best player of the ball game. Nakita kita kanina, very passionate talaga nga, napapasuntok-suntok ka pa sa ere. And those tear downs talaga, kitang-kita, reminds me of a Mac Talio during his prime, partner. Ano ba ang sikreto natin ngayon at pero energetic tayo sa larong ito?
Kaya inaalay po kasi namin yung game na to para kay Boss Roger. Gusto niyo talagang manalo kami sa laro na to. Yun lang sabi po ni Boss Roger, manalo lang kami ngayon.
Okay. So, Alexis, si Kapa Morgan ito. At meron lang din akong gustong itanong sa'yo. That one, yung game na yon was fought very intense. Talagang intense yung larong yon dahil alam naman natin na ang Iriga ay gusto rin na makapasok sa semifinals kaya gusto nilang matalo kayo. So, nakita ko na during the last, lalong-lalo sa mga last part na ng game, nandun yung composure mo. Parang hindi ka napipressure in taking those shots and defending really, really well. Anong nasa isip mo?
Kasi yung ano namin, yung star player namin na si Kobe Pableo na graduate, ang inisip ko lang, kailangan ko na mag-step up na saka puro veterano na yung mga kasama ko sila Kuya Babab, sila Agubida, sila Samuel. Kaya kailangan ko mag-step up kasi naubos na kami ng mga player. Graduate lahat. Ayun lang.
With that, sa tingin ko, mas mapipressure ka. Pero hindi ko nakita sa'yo yung pressure na yon.
Yun lang po. Sabi kasi sa akin, dumipensa muna daw ako. Ayun lang.
Anyway, congratulations
Pwede
sa'yo.
po
Sige.
Right now, you have the opportunity to greet and thank all of your support.
Binabati ko nga pala si Boss Roder, Mayor ng Kamaligan, si JBBI family, Botako, si Boss Idol, saka yung family man, nanay tatay ko, yung mga kapatid ko, saka Dison, family Dison, si Tito Milan, si Tita Carla, si Arlan, si Mika, si Lian, sila Tita Babu, sila Tita Melvin. Yun lang. Saka yung girlfriend ko si Camila Dison ay pauwi na ako. Huwag ka na magalit.
Thank you, Alexis, and congratulations, Team Kamaligan. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating quarterfinals at ang ating double games for tonight. And I am expressing gratitude for continuously supporting this tournament in behalf of Representative Zaldico, ako Bicol Party List, Sir Lloyd Rivera, our Commissioner, Technical Head Director, Direct Christian Calleja, mga kasamahan ko from the panel, Kapa Morgan and Coach John. This is Barbie Floriano, ako Bicol Cup, Courtside Reporter. Good night mga kasurog.